Dave Ramsey's foolproof plan for beginner investing, life-changing. Welcome back to Ace Wealth Strategies, we're your trusted guide in the world of finance, wealth, and money. Your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of building wealth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, we've got you covered. From beginners to seasoned investors, we're here to help everyone navigate the path to financial freedom. Today, we're breaking down Dave Ramsey's foolproof plan for beginner investing that could be a game changer for your financial life. Get set for a step-by-step guide to investing with ease and confidence, inspired by the one and only Dave Ramsey. We're simplifying the complex world of investments into practical, actionable steps that can lead to life-changing wealth. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. With Dave Ramsey's strategy, it's about making your money work for you, step by simple step. Let's build your investment ladder with Ramsey's proven methods. Welcome to the first rung of your investment ladder. Dave Ramsey's approach begins with a clear and powerful premise. If your money is tied up in debt, it can't be working for you. It's like trying to fill a bucket with water when there's a hole at the bottom. You'll never get ahead. So, how do we patch the hole? Ramsey's method is straightforward. List your debts from smallest to largest and pay them off using the debt snowball method. This means attacking the smallest debt with everything you've got while making minimum payments on the rest. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you roll that payment into the next smallest debt, and so on. This not only creates momentum, but also builds confidence as you see debts disappearing one by one. Step 1. Embrace a debt-free lifestyle. Dave Ramsey's first step is foundational. Eliminate debt. By freeing yourself from payments, you unlock your greatest wealth-building tool, your income. It's time to get real about your finances. Start by tackling high-interest debts first, like credit card balances, then move on to loans and mortgages. Remember, every dollar you're not paying in interest is a dollar you can invest in your future. Now that you're on the path to a debt-free life, let's ensure your journey isn't derailed by life's unpredictable moments. Step 2. Save for emergencies. Before you invest, Ramsey advises to save for emergencies. This financial buffer will keep you from derailing your investment plans when unexpected expenses arise. Building an emergency fund isn't just about security, it's about peace of mind. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses, tucked away in a high-yield savings account. This is your financial safety net, allowing you to invest without fear. With your safety net in place, you're ready to make your money multiply. Let's dive into the world of investing with Ramsey's third step. Step 3. Invest in growth stock mutual funds. With no debt and an emergency fund in place, it's time to invest. Ramsey recommends growth stock mutual funds for their potential to grow steadily over time. Growth stock mutual funds are the workhorses of your investment portfolio. They're designed to outpace inflation and grow your wealth. Choose funds with a mix of mid-cap and large-cap stocks to start building your empire. As you become more comfortable with investing, it's time to spread your wings and your risk. Quick break. If you're enjoying this and want more tips, here's a small ask. Click subscribe, give us a like, and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss out on any of our helpful videos. Ready for more? Let's go! Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key. Ramsey suggests spreading your investments across 4 types of mutual funds: growth and income, growth, aggressive growth, and international. Think of diversification as your investment portfolio's diet. Just as you need a balanced diet for good health, your portfolio needs a variety of assets to thrive. This balance helps you weather the market's ups and downs. With a diversified portfolio, you're well on your way. Now let's talk about picking the winners. Step 5. Choose funds with a strong track record. Look for mutual funds with at least a 10-year history of solid returns. This longevity is a good indicator of a fund's stability and management quality. When it comes to mutual funds, history can be a helpful guide. Funds that have consistently performed well over a decade are more likely to continue that trend. Do your homework and choose funds with a proven track record of success. Understanding your investments is just as crucial as making them. Let's unpack what that means. Step 6. Understand your investment. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of understanding where your money is going. Don't invest in something you don't comprehend. Investing isn't a blind game. Take the time to learn about each mutual fund's approach, the stocks it holds, and its management team. Knowledge is power, and in investing, it's also wealth. You're equipped with the knowledge. Now let's solidify your investment mindset for the future. Hey there, taking a quick pause from our wealth-building insights. If you're finding value in this video and want to stay updated with all our latest strategies, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button below, give us a like, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we drop fresh content designed to help you maximize your financial potential. All right, let's jump back in and continue our journey to financial success. Before we unveil the final step, remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. If you're ready to go the distance, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for all the guidance you'll need. And now, for the final piece of the puzzle, the cornerstone of Dave Ramsey's investment philosophy. Step 7. Keep a long-term perspective. Investing is for the long term. Ramsey advises against chasing after quick wins and stresses the importance of patience and consistency. The market will fluctuate, but your strategy shouldn't. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't be swayed by short-term market movements. Time in the market is more important than timing the market. As we bring our journey through Dave Ramsey's investment strategy to a close, let's quickly review the actionable steps that can set you on the path to financial success. Embrace a debt-free lifestyle. Start by eliminating all debt. Use the debt snowball method to gain momentum as each debt is cleared. Save for emergencies. Protect yourself against life's uncertainties by saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Invest in growth stock mutual funds. With no debt and a solid emergency fund, begin investing in growth stock mutual funds, focusing on those with a history of strong performance. Diversify your portfolio, spread your investments across different types of mutual funds to mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. Choose funds with a strong track record. Select mutual funds with at least a 10-year history of solid returns to ensure stability and quality management. Understand your investment. Take the time to learn about each mutual fund strategy and the stocks it holds. Knowledge is the key to confident investing. Keep a long-term perspective, stay focused on long-term goals, and don't be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Patience is a virtue in the world of investing. By following these steps, you're not just investing money, you're investing in a philosophy that champions smart financial decisions and disciplined, long-term thinking. Dave Ramsey's plan isn't about chasing the next big thing. It's about building a future that's financially secure and free from the anxiety of debt. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's time to take action. Begin with the first step and progress at your own pace. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Each step you take is a move towards a more secure and prosperous future. We've outlined Dave Ramsey's 7-step plan for beginner investors. From clearing debt to selecting the right mutual funds, each step is designed to build upon the last, creating a strong, diversified portfolio that stands the test of time. Follow these steps to harness the power of your income and start your journey towards financial freedom. With Dave Ramsey's plan, investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone willing to take disciplined, informed actions. If our episode resonated with you, show some love with a thumbs up and share the wealth of knowledge. Let's journey together, turning challenges into stepping stones. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and let's ace the financial game.